Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, it's Joel Ellison with Pinnacle Mountain Gunsmithing, and today I'm bringing you a project we finished here recently. It is a Commander length 1911. Actually have replaced the slide. This is a rental gun from one of our local ranges, whom we were very proud to partner with. This is the original slide, and yeah, you can see a massive crack coming around both sides. Let me actually spin the camera around to get you a little better shot at that. Stand by. Here we have our original slide, and you can see there was a crack, and it was starting to propagate around to the top, and there was another crack coming up from the other side there. Same place. Looks like there might have been a stress concentration there, but yeah, they were coming up and were about to meet. If they ever did meet, well, that would mean the entire front end of this slide was about to fly off. This particular gun has been in service at a rental range for, I think 13, 14, 15 years, something like that. Our replacement slide, it's not as fancily marked as the original, but it is all in one piece. Ooh. We actually were able to end up using the same barrel, which ended up saving the customer a little bit of cost. But yeah, it's otherwise a very nice pistol. It would have been a shame to see it go out and just be thrown away. But let's see, we fitted a new slide to the frame. It was hand lapped. We ended up, we had to replace the ejector. And the ejector we got was a little bit wider than the original. So we ended up also having to fit the back plate to it, or the recoil plate to the slide, and also blend that in a little bit. I think the result came out quite nice. Let me flip the camera around and I'll give you a little bit of ASMR. While we're here, I also want to mention the sights. We ended up replacing those because the original sights did not fit this new slide, and the front sight I went with a much bigger one than the original, and a corresponding wider notch on the rear sight, which I think actually wound up quite nice. The trigger on this thing is absolutely immaculate, about 2.5 pounds, really crisp, especially considering how many rounds have actually gone through this thing. Random cat hair there, but in any case, I would say the cat hair actually gives you a little bit better luck with shooting it. I'm going to flip you around and I'll show you a little bit more of the action. Stand by. Would you believe when we first started on this pistol that the slide would not even go onto the frame? But here, take a listen to this now. Oh yes, sounds about like buttered glass. Feels like it too. In any case, this particular pistol is going back to the rental range, and hopefully we'll put another 300,000 rounds or so on it before it needs to be retired or goes off into the wild blue yonder. In any case, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for joining me on this brief video. If you'd like to support our work directly, please go to pinnaclemountaingunsmithing.com. There you can contact me, and we can set up an appointment to come to our shop. We're located in beautiful Pickens, South Carolina, and we do all sorts of 1911 work. We do all sorts of antique firearms and restoration and repair. We also do modern guns, like ARs. In any case, please give us a shout. If you'd like to support Powder and I mean, you probably hear her in the background playing. But in any case, hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.